Let's walk through the customs duties calculator. Since the 1st of July 2026, the duty-free allowance on parcels under €150 is gone. So an order from outside the European Union now costs more than the price you paid at checkout. First, the value of the goods themselves. This is the price of the items, without shipping. Let's enter €100. Next, shipping and insurance. We'll add €20. Then the number of distinct items in the parcel, because the €3 duty is charged per item, not per parcel. Let's say 2. The tariff duty rate depends on the customs code of each product. We'll leave it at 0 for this example, so you can see the fixed charges on their own. And finally, the presentation fee your carrier charges. We'll use €5. Straight away, the calculator shows the total cost of the parcel, €161.13. €36.13 of that is tax, on goods worth €100. The breakdown below shows why. €6 of duty, 3 per item. And the VAT is charged not just on the goods, but on the shipping and on the duty as well, which is the part that catches people out. That's it. Change any field and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.